Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mix VPN with an easy method. First, you will need to download and install the Mix VPN application onto your chosen device. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. This initial step is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes, and sets the foundation for secure browsing. After logging in, open the Mix VPN application and locate the server list. You will see many server locations available across dozens of countries. Choose a server location that best fits your requirements, perhaps one close to you for speed or one in a specific country for content access. Then, simply tap the prominent Connect button to establish your secure connection, which typically takes only a few seconds. Once connected, the Mix VPN app will display a connected status, often with a green indicator. To be absolutely sure, you can use an online tool to verify your new IP address, confirming your privacy. Mix VPN also offers useful features like a kill switch, which protects your data if the VPN drops, and split tunneling, allowing you to choose which apps use the VPN. These features enhance your security and flexibility. When you are finished with your secure browsing session, disconnecting from Mix VPN is straightforward. Simply open the application and tap the Disconnect button. It is good practice to disconnect when the VPN is not needed to conserve device resources. Also, always ensure your Mix VPN application is updated to the latest version to benefit from the newest security features and optimal performance. This ensures continuous protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.